So EVMux come with a new feature, which is the Stream Deck profile, so you can make this process even easier and faster. And in this video, I'm going to showcase you how to do this. Stay there because I'll be back. Hello, Marco over here. I've been creating these tutorials for you to get the most from EVMux. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit like button, and also leave your comments so I can and questions so I can create even more tutorials for you. You have in the video description the link to try EVMux. You have the code painkiller so you can get a 15% discount in the first 6 months. So let's jump into this tutorial. So how you can access this, you go to the settings here and you have hotkeys and click here to download the EVMux preset. There you have the zip file. Okay, you should open this. In my case it's Windows. Okay, and now this will arise. Okay, you just need to press that. I'm gonna install it here. Okay, so now you can see that it's installed. Okay, but the thing is, this is for 15 key Stream Deck. Okay, so I have the XL, which has 32 keys, and I want to kind of put this a little bit, how can I say, more customized. So first thing, I'm gonna drag and drop this key here. Okay, so let me see. Okay, I can move this to the other. Let me do something here. Up. Copy. And I'm gonna put it here. Paste. Okay, so you can do this with all of them. Copy. And then you can rearrange this if you want to bring this key. Okay, it's up to you. You can switch all of this. I just want to, okay, you have the option for this. So one of the things I want to do is to have a button here in this profile so I can switch to the main profile. So you should come here to navigation. Okay, switch profile. Let me put it here. And I want to go back to the main deck. Okay, and the profile should be somewhere. Main deck. Okay, so when I hit this button, I'm back to this main deck. Okay, and here I want to create also a profile to go to the Stream Deck. So I need to go here, switch profile, EVMux, and I believe I can customize this here. Let me see. There you go. So now when I hit this button, I know that I will go to, okay, I won't go anywhere because I need to set this next. It's not it's this one, EVMux Win. So when I press this, now you can see that I'm here. Okay, so now let's play a little bit here so we can check if everything is okay. So what I'm gonna do here, as you can see, I'm switching cameras. Let me see what else. Now I switch this to dynamic scenes. As you can see, it moved. Okay, let me do this. Now I want to go to the next scene. Oh, I see. We can show the comments by hitting this button. There you go. Nice. We can hide banners. We can switch the banners. Nice. And let me create a new banner. Testing. Testing. Create. So let me see if the next banner will show up. There you go. Ha 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 ha. So let me go to the. Yep, this is working. Sound effects. Okay, so you can set sound effects here too. And you have also the chance to change the, if you give a number to the scenes, you can switch. This is pretty useful, and this will save you a lot of time here, because let me show you. As you can see, you have all the numbered scenes, and once you hit the buttons, this will switch the scenes, which is awesome. So this was the tutorial about how you can use Stream Deck and EVMux all together to save you time, ease your process. This will be pretty awesome. Don't forget to like the video, to subscribe to the channel. Also, you have in the video description the link to try EVMux. And also, if you want to buy it, you have the code Painkiller to have a 15% discount in the first 6 months. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.